Being a stepmother, it's not easy. Bragot knew what he was doing when he gave Enhle to Mamkhumalo. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story today. But you know the rules of the house is somebody pays on Vasala. Welcome to True Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself, guys. It's okay. It's not everyone deserves to be a stepmother. You can wait for your right time. Don't force a lot of stuff, you'll end up being depressed, a lot of stuff. We don't need that from you. You need to wait for the right time. So Mamkhumalo posted, it was Enhle who tagged Mamkhumalo, and people noticed that it seems like Mamkhumalo and Enhle are starting to look alike. First of all, these people have been living together for more than 10 years, so surely they have to look alike. You know that when you are dating someone for 10 years, you end up looking like that person, right? And one of the things that I've noticed is, to be a good stepmother, the child also needs to be a good stepdaughter or a stepson, guys. It is 50-50. It doesn't work if the child does not respect you, does not listen to you. What I've noticed is that it's easy for Mamkhumalo because Enhle, she's a well-mannered child. She respects Mamkhumalo. You can just tell her she does not disagree with Mamkhumalo most of the time. So it's easy for her to have a good relationship with her stepdaughter. Most of the time, the reason why people are failing to be good step parent is because of the child. Sometimes the child look at you as if you are the reason why their parents are divorced. We need to understand that sometimes it is not your fault. You came in well, already things were up and down. You did not do anything. But when the child look at you like this, she's the reason why my mom is a baby mama. She's the reason why my mom, she's divorced. My dad is no longer dating my mom. Those type of situation. So I don't know, guys, but I feel like, I pray to women out there who are step parents to have children like Enhle. It's not easy. I do understand we're in the age where we'll end up being stepmother or stepfather. Even if you try to run away, remember, we are that generation. So even if you run away, maybe you'll be lucky to find someone who does not have a child. That good luck to you. I'll be proud of you for taking the right decision, because trust me and believe, being a step parent is not easy, guys. I know I'm just talking, but anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, do you think it is Enhle who's making everything easy for Mamkhumalo to be a good stepmother? Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe it, so like it, comment. Happy Monday, bye.